Unlocking workflow automation in Google Workspace.
The automating your daily tasks can save valuable time and reduce manual effort. By integrating Google Workspace tools like Sheets, Docs, Calendar, and Forms, you can create powerful workflows that keep information flowing seamlessly between apps. Get ready to discover how connecting these tools makes data syncing and process automation easy and efficient.
Connecting Google Forms to Google Sheets.
Start by using Google Forms to collect information, such as survey responses or registrations. Responses are automatically sent to a linked Google Sheet, allowing you to analyze and organize data in real time. This connection ensures you never need to manually copy information, creating a foundation for further automation.
Automating document creation with Google Docs.
Merge data from Google Sheets into Google Docs to generate personalized documents, such as invoices, letters, or certificates. Using add-ons like Autocrat, set up templates that pull information from Sheets and automatically create custom docs. This eliminates repetitive copy-paste tasks and ensures consistency.
Syncing deadlines and events to Google Calendar.
Transform key dates and deadlines from Google Sheets directly into Google Calendar. Use add-ons or simple scripts to automatically create calendar events for important tasks or appointments based on sheet entries. This keeps your team or participants updated and ensures nothing slips through the cracks.
Bringing it all together. Workflow examples.
An example workflow. A form collects project details which are logged in Sheets. Sheets trigger doc creation for project proposals, and deadlines are pushed to Calendar. This setup means no manual data entry or reminders needed, leaving you free to focus on high-impact work and collaboration.